the style circle. We have amazing brands. These are all the list of the brands that we have here, and of course I'm going to take you inside. This is Krimisha Dasani studio. All right, so this is the studio. It's a very pretty studio. I'm going to take you around, and we are live on Instagram, guys. So we have beautiful sets of designers inside. I'm going to show you what they have. So Bileshwar महादेव मंदिर वाली जो लेन है, दिस इज श्यामल क्रॉस रोड के बहुत ही पास में. सोमेश्वर रो हाउसेज, मैंने सारी डिटेल्स एक बार मेंशन कर दी है नीचे. आई एम गोना quickly repeat also all the details. So 9th and 10th of Jan, this is a 2-day show, and we have beautiful sets of designers. We have beautiful jewelry. We have Portleys, we have Indo-Westerns, we have macrame collection, we have bags, we have Pacheri, which is a Bandhani brand. We also have saris. So yes, we are going to quickly show you what they have. Again, this is a 2-day show, 9th and 10th of Jan, and this is at Krimisha's Designer Studio. Google Map पे आपको easily मिल जाएगा, and on the caption down below मैं एक number भी attach कर दूंगी, so that if you have any if you want to inquire about any brands, you can call them up, and I think you must visit this place. So I'm going to be starting off with our first brand, which is for jewelry. This is all pure silver jewelry. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Chelna. My brand name is Silver Story by Chelna. મારી બધી જ જ્વેલરી પ્યોર સિલ્વરમાં છે. 92.5 હોલમાર્કિંગ સાથેની છે. બધી જ ડિફરન્ટ સ્ટાઇલની રાખી છે. પોલકી તો તમે આને કોઈ બી સંગીત ફંક્શનમાં પહેરી શકો છો. ઇટ્સ અ ફ્યુઝન. તમે આ મહેંદી રસમમાં પહેરી શકો છો. ઇટ્સ અ હલ્દી ફંક્શન સ્ટાઇલ જ્વેલરી. એટલે દરેક સ્ટાઇલની જ્વેલરી છે. ઇટ્સ અ પોલકી લાઈક અ જ્વેલરી. એટલે આ બધી પ્યોર સિલ્વરમાં છે અને હોલમાર્કિંગ સાથેનું છે. અને મેઇન આનું ડિસ્કાઉન્ટેડ એ છે કે આ બધા જૂના સિલ્વર રેટથી તમને મળી રહી છે. અત્યારે કોઈ પણ ચીજમાં મેં અપડેટ નથી કર્યું, તો તમે આવો, મસ્ટ વિઝિટ કરો. આ બધી જ વસ્તુઓ તમને જૂના સિલ્વર રેટમાં મળશે. મને એવું લાગે છે કે તમારા માટે આ બેસ્ટ ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ કહેવાય.
वेरी नाइस. एंड डिस्काउंट्स ऑन सिल्वर, गाइस, दिस इज वन टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी. उन्होंने रेट्स अपने नहीं बदले हैं, इवन दो सिल्वर के रेट्स ऊपर नीचे होते रहते हैं. सो कलेक्शन में क्या क्या है? दे हैव ब्यूटीफुल सेट्स ऑफ रिंग्स, देन दे हैव ओनली इयररिंग्स, जैसे स्टड्स हो गए, ऐसे सारे पीसेस. these are also available. Then they have kadas option. These are the kadas. Lovely. This is all silver. This is also kadas. इसमें भी काफ़ी यूनिक पैटर्न्स एंड डिज़ाइंस you'll get. Then they have matha tika also, and of course sets तो मैंने आपको दिखाई है. This is all silver jewelry, and these are the bracelets. Something what she is wearing is also available. That's a beautiful piece. All right, so that was our first brand. I'm going to be moving on to our second brand here. Hello,
I'm Krimisha, and we have got festive wear, the one which I'm wearing. We have colors in it. We have more handwork suit pieces.
Beautiful.
With sharara and gararas.
Yeah. Lovely. Look at that.
This is with cape. Then we have pieces on Malchanderi,
Yeah.
which are like very lightweight and pocket friendly too.
Beautiful. How are these priced?
They are for 5.5.
5.5. Correct.
Yes. We have some Banarasi stuff also. Jacket. We have corset.
Oh, nice. That's pretty for healthy function. Yep.
We have a sale on summer collection, so you can just check out the summer pieces.
Yeah. So these are the dresses. We have some shirts also here. These are the
We
shirts
have
option.
linen shirts which are unisex.
Correct.
Here linen shirts which
Pretty.
are customizable. Again, everything is customizable. We do menswear, kidswear, and women's wear. We have corsets and party dresses also for women.
Very nice. All right. So yes, do come down and visit. This is the entire section for sale. This is their new section for wedding collection, and of course they have some more pieces like just blouses, handwork blouses. Look at that. These are all handwork, katana work के साथ, and she's into customization as well.
Yeah, we have draped skirts also.
These are the draped skirts with tops वगैरह आपके बन जाएंगे, blouses बन जाएंगे, so don't worry about that. All right, done.
Yes.
Thank you. Next, I'm gonna be showing you some beautiful bags. Hi. Your brand name?
Wild Soul.
Wild Soul. Yes. Where do you want me to start from? Let's start from here.
This is all upcycled leather.
Upcycle leather.
These are mobile cases. These are pouches. These are vanity pouches that we recently made.
Nice.
All silver, very lightweight.
Very nice. These are
We
also,
have hobo bags.
yeah, bigger bags, travel bags.
Yeah, these are travel bags. These are all. This is a sling bag,
Hmm.
which you can hold like this also.
Okay.
There's a sling attachable.
Very
sling
nice.
is there.
Hmm.
And it's very small, very cute, looks nice.
Yes.
You can take it to parties.
Hmm.
There are other slings, there are bag charms,
Sling.
cats and dogs.
Cute.
They're very cute cats and dogs, so the whole feel is very different.
Super cute.
These are all wallets for women, there are card holders, there are wallets for men.
Very nice.
Different types of totes and slings are there.
Yeah. Look at that. So
These are, yeah, and these are all these are fabric bags.
Fabric bags.
Completely non-leather fabric bags.
Correct.
So there is a big range of that.
Okay, so look at that. This is Wild Soul, all vegan upcycled leather. Right? No, not vegan. Upcycled leather, basically. And then they have something in cloth material as well. This is the new edition. Yeah,
It's a
this
new edition.
new edition. Perfect. This is the brand name once again. Perfect. Thank you so much. Bags की बात करें तो let me show you few of portlies as well. So these are the portlies that we have, and the range is also quite good. Like this is for 1800. You can wear it with like saris या फिर Indo-Western के साथ भी. That's a good range. This is for only 1200. Look at that. These are the portly bags. Yeah, this one. We have something in black also. We have Banarsis. Perfect. And next, hi.
Hi.
So, looking very nice, very trendy. Beautiful skirt. This is also another brand which I'm going to show you. And this is her brand. Yes.
The Macron store by MK.
Hmm.
So we have all the sling bags.
Hmm.
We have the shoulder bags,
Cute.
the mobile slings,
Hmm.
and everything can be customized. This is, you can just club with any of your dress.
Very nice. Very cute.
We have this kind of two-tone halter tops.
Hmm.
Then we have jackets,
Jackets. Okay.
short one, and you can go for the long one as well.
Okay.
We have the dresses.
Hmm. Cute.
Size and color and everything can be customized.
All
These
right.
are the beachwear,
Yep.
dresses. We have the bikini
Bralettes,
tops,
yeah.
the bralettes.
These
This
are
can
also
be
bralettes?
customized, yeah.
Oh, this is
These
so
are the-
cute. Yeah.
You can just club with the
Yeah,
shirts
with
and
shirts
everything.
also.
Yeah.
Super cute. And look at butter yellow, everybody's favorite color these days. These are also some slings.
Sling bags, yeah.
Yes. And
We have the cords.
wow. Okay.
Size and colors can be customized again,
Nice. और थोड़ा सा मैक्रोमे का भी टच दिया हुआ है. That's pretty.
Yeah.
See, check these out.
So
And here also we have some nice. These are, I think, all-time favorite
yes,
shirts, right?
oversized shorts.
Oversized, yes, beautiful. All right, so yes, that was the brands here. I'm going to take you another level, and we have 4 more brands upstairs. So let's go and check that out. It's on the first floor, and don't worry, they have lift. So we're going on that. 9th and 10th of Jan. This is all happening at Krimisha Design Studio. Google पे आपको पूरा information इसका मिल जाएगा. You can just follow the direction and come down here. And I'm going to be starting off with, let's see. Yes. So let's go. So yes, this is another floor we have here. And let's start with some Indo-Westerns. Yes.
Okay, so hi.
Hi.
My brand is called the House of Tirana.
Yes.
Everything here is handmade, and we get them all made from Calcutta.
Okay.
So we have a few Indo-Western pieces.
Cool.
Like this is a very nice one.
Hmm.
And then we also have something on the heavier side.
Correct.
It's like Indian traditional.
Yeah, very pretty.
And then there are some more Indo-Western, like a cape set.
Very
All
nice.
this is very detailed, and
Mhm.
everything is handwork.
Beautiful.
We also have a cord set
Oh, that's a pretty one for like cocktail
for
nights.
cocktail nights. Yeah.
Pretty, very pretty. And there, these are the
We have a few
sa-
saris over here.
Okay, so these are the saris. Hmm.
And then they have like really heavy blouses.
Hmm.
And then we also have a few dress sets.
Oh,
Unstitched
nice.
dresses.
Unstitched pieces,
Yes,
okay.
unstitched pieces.
Correct.
And we have a few in Mal Chanderi. These are like really soft fabrics,
Hmm.
applique work, all handmade again.
Very nice, very nice. All right, moving on to some western wear. This is Travia. Hi.
So I'm Bhumi.
Yes.
I'm from brand Travia, and we are here all the way from Surat.
Yes.
This is our newest collection, which has not been launched on our website yet. We have just done the shoot yesterday. So
Okay.
it's called Flare Garden.
Okay.
And we have some amazing cotton pieces, hand embroidered, and the embellishments are really cute. This is for
Pretty.
your next holidays.
Yeah.
Brunches with your girlies.
Nice.
And everything can be customized with your sizes, any color combination that you like. And we do have some cute skirt sets also.
Oh, cute.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then this time we have started with a range of only shirts.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to pair it up with denims or any of the trousers. These are completely upcycled from our leftover fabrics from other collection, and we use it as a patch.
Perfect.
And these are shackets.
Mm-hmm. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Super cute. And you can wear it all year round.
Yes,
yeah.
all around the year.
Wow,
so
beautiful.
yes, and we do have some cute dresses also.
Of course, that's your signature.
Yes, yes,
Perfect. So again, that's the brand Travia.
yes.
And they are all the way from Surat, guys. So come down here. They are showcasing their new and latest collection here. Perfect. Next, we are moving on to
Hi. So
Pach-
we are from brand Pacheri. I think you already saw the drip skirt.
Yes.
We have a lot of chanderi sets with the badla work, and the bottom is cotton. We have a lot of color options available, and we do stitching also now. Then we have colors in the drape skirt. Again, we have these colors. We can customize the color, and it's a free size, so anyone can wear it.
Yeah.
Then we have some fabric like this, so even men can get their kurta done or something.
Correct.
Then we have our signatures dupatta, the Georgette dupattas. We have a lot of new colors and new design. Again, we can customize the colors that you want. This is really nice pastel color combination.
Nice. Very pretty.
So we have a lot of color options and designs available. Do come and visit us today and tomorrow at Krimisha Dasnani Studio, which is near Shamal Crossroads.
Thank you so much. All right. Now, if you're looking for some saris, so we have, hi.
Hi, this brand is called Navata, and they are specialized in their saris and blouses.
Correct.
So they have this beautiful blouse. Also, you can pair it up with any of the saris which you like. These are tissue saris.
Yes, glass tissue saris.
Yes, tissue saris. Also, they have cotton mal saris. You can check out. It's really easy to wear and very lightweight.
Yes, yes.
And they also have cotton saris.
Cotton saris with bouquet. Look at that. All right. So this is brand Navata. They are from Rajkot. Ahmedabad. Okay, so they are from Ahmedabad. Look at that. These are all the different pieces they have. This is in tissue. We have mal cotton also. Mal cotton में भी बहुत pieces है. These are all linens. Linens में भी they have different patterns. Blouses are.
Patchwork wala sari.
हाँ, yeah, we can show that.
Yeah, this is
Nice.
patchwork sari.
Patchwork sari. Oh, nice. Okay, this is the patchwork. Perfect. So yes. So we have saris. I think I've shown you all the different brands. This is all happening at Krimisha Design Studio, 9th and 10th of Jan. I think it's a must visit. We also have some designs that are on sale. क्या collection में मिलेगा? Let me just repeat it once again. So we have Indo-Westerns, we have saris, we have Western wear displaying for the very first time. I think she's showcasing first time. Then we have Pacheri, a brand for bandhej. And we have saris with ready wear blouses also. We have potlies, we have upcycled bags, leather bags. Downstairs, Wild Soul is the brand name. Then we have silver jewelry. We also have macrame collection. So these are all the different types of brands that I'm covering. And the best part is we have valet parking available. So aap kabhi bhi aate ho, don't worry about the car and everything. It is all taken care of. Come with your friends and family and enjoy. I think you'll have fun. This is also their studio and it's permanently going to be here. But this show is very special, only for 2 days. So come between that time. That's it from my side. I will see you the next live. Bye. The style